Jonathan, let's know.
Yeah, good evening, everybody.
Good evening.
Yeah. My name is Jonathan, and my stack is on data analysis. So, for this week, so far we've had 4 weeks. First week was the introduction to the data analysis. Second week, I ran through um, introduction on all the tools that is needed for the data analysis, which is the Excel, the SQL, the Tableau, and Power BI. So from week three, I started with the Excel, how to import the data, clean data, then do the um, little analysis for small data. So far, working just with the little data. So for this week, I worked with conditional formatting, how to um, group data based on some conditional rules. Maybe maybe some data should be greater than I need data sets that are greater than so number and less than so number or between so range of numbers. And then I also worked with some functions. The concatenate function um, helps me to combine data from several columns into one column, and also the text to column function that I can use to split text in a single cell. Can split them into several columns. And then I use the other various functions like the count function, count black, count if, the summing function, the average function. And then basically this week I worked with functions, the left right functions, just to to sort data in a worksheet for analysis. So that's what I did this week.
All right. Did you encounter any challenge? If yes, how were you able to solve it?
Yeah, the challenge I encountered first was with the concatenate function. At first, because in the material on the class, they wrote the concatenate in an abbreviation. So I used the way they wrote it, and it was not giving me any response. Like it was just giving me an error, the name error. So I tried and tried and tried until I just decided to write the whole thing in full and give me the result. And then outside that, the another challenge that I had this week was power. I was like unstable with light because at my house the light is not always available, so I have to go to the office, and I was not really stable. So, but I was able to recover a lot. So yeah, I was able
All
to.
right.
Aside that, no more challenge. The only thing is just the difference in the software version, because I'm not using an online version, the Office 365. So I'm using normal Excel. That's just the Microsoft Excel. I'm not using an Office 365. So sometimes the functions, the way they explain it in the material, I need to most times I have to go to YouTube and check how it's done on this particular version of my own Excel to get the whole thing done. But I'm looking to see if I can download the Office 365 so that sometimes I can just follow through how it's done.
Okay.
Yes.
That's awesome. I don't know if your mentor have any question for you though. Solomon, do you have any question for your students?
Good evening.
Good
Good
evening.
evening, everybody.
Yeah.
Concerning the people I'm supposed to start with, I believe me and Jonathan we exchanged a couple of greetings on the like Slack channel, but we've not started anything personal between me and him. I've listened to his complaints. I've listened to where he's lagging wrong. I'll reach out to him on Monday. We'll start officially because we are waiting for some other person who said they had exam. And
Yeah, I
I
can't even
got
get hold of the guy again, sef.
yeah, so I got a last minute update that we should kick off without him. So for Monday, Jonathan, I've heard your complaint. You're already trying. I already commend the self-learning thing you're doing. It's not easy. I give it that one. But for Monday, don't worry about it. I'll give you my WhatsApp number. Then you contact me personally. So we'll work on the personal bits. We keep up the time. You're good to go.
Oh, okay. Thank you very much.
All right,
Thank you.
thank you so much. Jay, do you have anything for us?
Good evening, everyone.
Good evening, Jay.
Okay. Actually, my exams, I just ended my exams up, and then I started the introductions earlier yesterday. You get, but what I was noticing on the app is that just if I just try to minimize or just leave to probably try and practice something, I will always have to relog in. Always have to relog in almost every time.
For the
So then,
IBN,
yeah, yeah, for IBM, I will
have you
always
tried
have to relog
the
in
Alison?
anything which
Alison, the second link I sent. Have you tried them?
Alison, no. I didn't see Alice. I didn't see the second link you sent. You sent. I'm just on IBM. Or
Oh,
I
I will
accidentally made the
resend the
call.
second link for you to try. It seems like those people are really giving issue, but not just you.
Okay. I'll try that. But their cost overview is not that bad though.
No,
I can still
yeah,
manage.
IBM have a good course, but just that the thing, the app is just something else. Even me, I'm
The app,
having
yes,
issue
yes,
with
yes.
it.
Mm. The app. But it's still good though. It's still good.
All right,
That's all.
okay, thank you. Just keep trying. I will still send you the Allison link so that you just try it out and compare
Okay, man.
whichever one works for you best. Yeah, Mav,
Okay, man.
your hand up. Mav, you can talk. You are muted if you are talking. Don't know. I think his network is bad. So thank you so much for your consistency towards your learning. It's really a good one. I really appreciate your effort. Keep doing what you are doing before you know. And like I said the last time, always keep track of where you are coming from. That will help you um to see your progress because if you don't do that, it will looks as if you are just um still in the same place, but always evaluate that. Okay, before now I don't know what UI/UX is, I don't know what data analysis is, I don't know what, like, but I'm able to like know this, identify this, use this and use that. So always take note of that. That will also help you to know that you are actually doing something because it's not easy to learn. Learning learning something new is always difficult. I won't lie, but you to keep yourself motivated, like stuff like that, is not easy. But I really appreciate your effort and your zeal towards your learning. So thank you. Keep doing what you are doing and you get where you want to be before you know it. So I'll say this, let me just say this is the end of the call today because some other students, I don't know what happened with today's meeting. So they really said they won't be able to meet up and yeah, Chichi have something to say.
So I just want to know,
Okay.
is it that like everyone is working on a personal project?
Okay, no, it's because you haven't done the onboarding. Okay, what we do in Flare Tribe is we encourage self learning, but you'll be
Oh,
given
okay.
a resource, you'll be given a roadmap that you will be doing a daily research and weekly assessment while you are also taking your course. So on Saturdays, we just meet for what? Review, just to know that the student is actually learning. But that aside, you are also being assigned, I mean, a mentor is also assigned to you that will check up on you on daily basis to know that you are actually what? Learning. Your mentor is already there, but she could not join today as well due to some things that came up, but she will be available by from Monday. You can talk to her, but she'll be available next meeting, which is on Saturday. So that is what we just do here. We don't teach like have a meeting where someone is teaching you and stuff. No, we just give you resource and that your roadmap for you to like learn. If you
Okay.
have questions, you reach out to your mentor. She puts you through because your mentor is a she actually, since you are coming as a UIUS. So she put you
Okay.
through, and then on Saturday we just come together and just have our weekly review meeting where you just talk about what you learned, your challenges, and how you're able to resolve it and stuff like that. So that is
Okay. That's nice. Thank you.
okay. So Marv, are you back? Can you talk now? It seems your network is bad. So guys, thank you so much for today. I really appreciate it. See you next Saturday. Have a great evening and weekend. Bye bye.